Hi, I'm Sienna Cosman with New Home Lifestyles. We're showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today we're in Spring Hill, Tennessee with Pulte Homes, taking a look at the Dartford community. We're going to be walking through the Treyburn plan. Let's get started. Are you watching?
Hey, Ted Ramsey coming to you from Spring Hill, Tennessee at our Dartford community by Pulte Homes, a brand new community that just opened up. We're near the intersection of Port Royal and Duplex Road. It's a great community with low maintenance, lawn care is included here. We're at our Treyburn model. We're going to go on in and have a quick look. So as I mentioned, we just grand opened this model a couple months ago, and we've had a lot of really positive feedback. We've seen some young families, or starter families. We've seen young professionals. We've seen empty nesters coming in, and what they all will tell us is a bit of a wow when they come into this space here. They're really surprised at how open it is, and we basically have all of your main living in one big room here. So we're in our gathering room now, where you can see we featured a nice stacked stone fireplace. Our ceilings here will feature a coffered ceiling, which gives a lot of architectural detail. In addition to, we've got columns here that will, a nice architectural detail that separates the space, kind of helps define it, but keeps it very open as well. As I move on over to our kitchen and cafe, we'll tell you that Pulte does something very unique where we actually ask a lot of consumers about what their needs are in the home, and we call that consumer inspiration. So we build consumer inspired homes. So one thing that we will show you here is this is an oversized island. One thing folks told us was sometimes when you're sitting at the bar, you can't all see each other. You kind of have to lean over. If you take a look here, you'll notice this has a nice angle, a bit of a radius, if you will, so folks can see each other while they're sitting at the bar and be able to conversate. Really big, open, or a lot of counter space here as well. This counter, by the way, is quartz. So we've seen a lot of demand for quartz more recently, and folks really appreciate that this is made in the USA. In fact, it's made just down the road outside of Nashville.
Hey, Chad.
We've got
we have a quick question. We have a quick question.
Oh, sure.
Somebody wanted to ask about ceiling height. What are the heights of ceiling?
Yeah, great question. These are actually 10-foot high ceilings, so maybe you're able to tell from the video. It gives a lot of volume to the space. So these are 10-foot on the main level, and upstairs, when we get up there, you'll notice they're actually 9. Good question. We have here, you can see a bit of the pantry space. And I'll point out one other feature here in the kitchen that's nice. Again, we're trying to maximize the space. So this large island, we've got storage on the other side where you would expect it. We've also got some underneath here on this side as well. You'll see the soft close drawers and cabinets. If you look out this way, we do feature a covered porch. That is met with an extended patio as well. So nice feature off your cafe is that porch. So heading on back towards where we started, you've got a garage that's right through that door. Lots of closet space in this home. So there's one. This closet is actually so big that we've had folks put an elevator in here because there's another closet just this big upstairs. And yet another closet here. I'm going to see if we can get you a quick look. This will actually go underneath the stairs a bit. Again, trying to maximize all the space that we can. Through this door here is a powder room. You will notice it's tucked away here, private, so your guests can have some privacy. And let's go on and head upstairs. I'll tell you also that Pulte builds smart homes. This is a smart home, which means it's got Wi-Fi access points throughout the home, so you've got really good connection. We have Alexa, who can be integrated in to lock your front door, to turn on and off your lights, to even adjust your thermostat here. So really nice to have that framework and backwork in today's world for all of your technology. So this is a guest bedroom upstairs with a private bath. We've got a queen size bed in here, just to give you an idea of the space. And then a full bath. And if we come on adjoining this room, we have another secondary bedroom. We've actually demonstrated this with a sleeping space and office space. It too has a private bath. Some folks tell us they'll use this as a nursery. Some folks will take the bath out and have one really large bedroom and then access to a hall bath. We're going to go on back towards the stairwell here, and I'll let you take a quick look at the walk-in laundry. It is large enough for a sink, washer, dryer. We've got a pan for overflow. On the rare occasion that you may have overflow, that pan will catch the water, so no water gets inside your house. And then a bit of a surprise coming through a double door here is a really nice owner suite. So folks, again, this is a bit of a wow factor for this house. Folks don't expect it to be quite as large as it is. So you can see a nice king size bed with space on either side. We featured a shiplap wall that gives it some character. And then we've got a separate living space over here. Some folks may use that as a study or office. It's really nice to have that option. And I'll point out to you as well the covered balcony. It's right here, so this is above the porch that we saw downstairs. Really nice to have here in the owner's retreat.
It has a bunch of like robots in it.
And
Hey, Chad,
this is our owner's.
we had one
Yes,
more
sir.
question around the warranties offered.
Yes, warranty. So the great question on new construction is really one of the benefits is you do get a warranty, and I will tell you that the Pulte warranty is something that we're pretty proud of. So we've got a 10-year structural warranty, 5-year leak protection, and that one's really special because the last thing you want is water coming into the house. I don't know anyone that goes to the measures that we do to prevent water from coming in. So we have a lot of construction standards that are above and beyond any industry standards, or certainly municipalities, that prevent water from coming in. We self-audit ourselves. So that's the 5-year leak protection, 2 years on all of your mechanicals, so your HVAC, electrical, and so forth, and then a 1-year warranty for your quality of work and material. So great question. A lot of benefits to having a new home warranty, and quite frankly, that's why me and 5 of my family members have built Pulte Homes. So we'll go on back into this space, and you'll notice you do have his and her vanities with drawers, and you've got the standalone tub. You've got a really nice 12 by 24 tile there in the shower with a nice bench as well. And then if we can flip around here, I'll show y'all the oversized walk-in closet. So this is the Treyburn model at Dartford by Pulte Homes. I would encourage you to come visit us. Check us out online, pulte.com. We've actually got a lot of interactive tools on there where you can take a look at this plan and others, and you can even place your furniture on it.
If you want to learn more about this new home plan, be sure to check out the link below. Thanks for watching, and keep tuning in for more new home showcases.